A well-executed maintenance plan is a perfect recipe for smoothly running fish processing machines that produce their optimal yield at all times. However, finding the time and overview to keep the machines flawlessly maintained is a different story. Hi, my name is Rayan, and today I will be talking about how you can get a tailored maintenance plan for your BAADER machines. We can all agree that it would be best if you only allocated the time necessary for maintenance. Some parts of a machine need daily attention. Other parts will do fine with a checkup every second day, and so forth. At Petur Larsen, we have serviced BAADER machines since 1971, and from years and years of experience, built efficient maintenance schedules for most BAADER models. A maintenance program helps you spend your time correctly, because there is no need to check on things that only needs attention weekly on a daily basis. If you hand me a list of your machines, I will give you a customized maintenance checklist that fits your machine setup. The plan will show you precisely what you need to do daily, every other day, weekly, monthly, and so on. By following the plan, you will know what attention your machines need and when they need them. This will keep your machines running smoothly and keep up a high yield. No need to wait. Contact me now and let me know what machines you are using in your production so I can make a customized maintenance plan for you. Oh, and one more thing. The tailored maintenance schedule is entirely free. It is a gift from us to you.